Dear Goenkans, today's our topic is properties of divisibility. Let us look at the property first. It says that if a number is divisible by another number, then it is also divisible by each of its factors. What does that mean? Let us consider number 24. We know 24 is divisible by 6. And we also know that 2 and 3 are factors of 6. So this property says that since 24 is divisible by 6, then 24 is also divisible by the factors of 6. That is 24 is also divisible by 2, 24 is also divisible by 3. Property 2. It says that if a number is divisible by 2 or more co-primes, then it is also divisible by the product of their co-prime numbers. Now what does that mean? Let us take number 30. We know 2 is a factor of 30, 3 is also a factor of 30, and 5 is also a factor of 30. So this property says that if we will multiply any two co-prime numbers, that is if we will multiply 2 and 3, the answer is 6. So 6 is also a factor of 30 then. Similarly, if we will multiply 3 and 5, 3 and 5 it is equal to 15. So 15 is also a factor of this 30. Similarly, if we will multiply 2 and 5, it is equal to 10. So that 10 is also a factor of 30. Property 3. Property 3 says that if two numbers are divisible by a given number, then their sum is also divisible by that number. Now let us take any two numbers, suppose 21 and 15. We know that 21 is divisible by 3 and 15 is also divisible by 3. So this property says that if we will add these two numbers, that is 21 plus 15, which is equal to 36. So the sum of these two numbers is also divisible by the given number. That is, it is also divisible by 3. Since that is, if 3 is a factor of 21, then 3 and 3 is a factor of 15, it means 3 is also a factor of the sum of 21 and 15. Property 4. It says that if two numbers are divisible by a given number, then their difference is also divisible by that number. So it is a little bit same as that of property 3. That is, for example, if we have numbers 14 and if we have number 8, we know both 14 and 8, they are divisible by 2. So if I will subtract these two numbers, that is 14 and 8, the answer is equal to 6. It means their difference is also divisible by this number. Or in other words, since 2 is a factor of 14, 2 is a factor of 8, so 2 is also a factor of the difference of 14 and 8, that is 2 is also a factor of 6. This was all for today. Thank you so much.